All right, boys and girls, this is your review for warm up 32. Number one, you had 95,000 minus 81,523. So you should have set up your problem according to their place value. All the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s before subtracting. Now it was difficult because you can't take 3 away from 0, so you can't borrow from the next place value in the tens or the hundreds place, so we have to go to the thousands place to borrow from, which makes the next digit a 10, but we have to borrow from that and make that a 9, which makes this 10. Again, borrow, 9, to get back to the ones place to make it a 10. So 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 5 is 4, and 4 minus 1 is 3, and 9 minus 8 is 1. So you should have had 13,477 as your answer. For the next question, it says Alan has 64 crayons in his box. He let Rita borrow 23, and she only returned 12 of them. How many crayons does Alan have now? So if Alan starts off with 64 crayons, she borrows 23 crayons. So we're going to subtract 23. Now we have 41 crayons. Well, but it says when she returns the crayons, she only gives 12 of them back. So if I add 12 back to that number, I have 53 crayons left. So he no longer has his original value of 64. He only has 53 crayons because Rita didn't give all of them back when she borrowed them. Shame on Rita. All right. So for your next question, you had to compare to see which statements were true. So answer choice A, we had 2,963 compared to 2,852. And your question said that the first number is larger than the second. So they have same, different, that 9 is larger. We're looking for which one's not true. So we can eliminate answer choice A. Looking at answer choice B, I had 44,521 is greater than 3,852. I should know that this is incorrect already because 4 is greater than 3, and I'm looking for the one that's not true. Answer choice C, we have 23,412 compared to 23,123. We have same, different. 4 is greater than 1, so we know C is also true. So it must be D. D was 25,745 compared to 25,789. When comparing, we have the same, different. 4 is not greater than 8, so D is our answer choice that was not true. That was number 3. Looking at number 4, you had to tell me which number sentence represents the picture below. Well, in the picture, boys and girls, we had 4 rows, and in each row there were 5 pieces, so we should have had 4 times 5, which is equal to 20 as our answer. And then the last one, it says which team scored the most points during period 2. If you looked at your code, your little box, your key over here, period 2 is the darker black color. So looking at period 2, the amount of points each team scored, it looks like team 1 scored between 75 and 100 points, so around 85 to 90 points. And we should have had team 1 as our highest scoring team during period 2. And that concludes our review for warm up 32.